Hi there! As AI continues to revolutionize our lives, CyberArk proudly joins the innovation with the CORA AI chatbot. Enhancing our robust security platform, seamlessly integrated into the platform, this chatbot acts as your virtual assistant, making it easier than ever to manage your cybersecurity operations. Imagine a tool that simplifies your daily tasks, whether you're onboarding accounts, managing safes, or querying complex datasets. With CORA AI, tasks that used to require multiple steps can now be completed quickly and efficiently through natural, conversational interactions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. For instance, you can easily create a new safe by simply requesting it directly from the chatbot. Just type your request, and it will guide you step by step through the creation process. Once the safe is successfully created, you can move on to further actions, such as onboarding a new account to the safe and adding a new member who requires access. If any additional information is required to fulfill the task, the chatbot will promptly inform you of what details to provide, ensuring that the entire process is smooth and efficient. New to CyberArk? There's no need to learn intricate terminologies or procedures. Let the chatbot guide you effortlessly through your tasks, breaking down complex processes into simple, actionable conversations. Spend less time learning the platform and more time benefiting from its capabilities. We're continuously refining the chatbot, adding features and expanding its functionalities to meet your growing needs. An integral part of its evolution is your feedback. By sharing your experiences and suggestions, you play a vital role in shaping its development. So, if you have an idea on how to enhance the chatbot, don't hesitate to share it with us. We invite you to explore the full capabilities of the CORA AI chatbot. Experience firsthand how it can simplify your operations and enhance your workflow. Try CORA AI chatbot today and become part of the journey towards smarter and easier cybersecurity management.